Hello and welcome to the Trading with WebRDD YouTube channel. Today is Monday and we are going to analyze the gold market and draw the best setup to enter the market. Okay. I am not going to reanalyze what happened last week because I already discussed it in my video yesterday. Please watch that. In that video, I mentioned what we can expect at the start of this week. Okay, it will help you identify and get some ideas about the market before entering a trade. First of all, I would like to draw support and resistance using the 4-hour chart. You can see that support was there last Friday, and I moved it further up around the 39.66 area because the price was bouncing 3 or 4 times in the last couple of trading days. The only change I made related to support and resistance is that adjustment. This is the only change I made in the 4-hour chart related to support and resistance. After that, I am going to draw the buying and selling zones. To do that, I deleted all the old zones. Okay. There were 3 buy zones and 1 sell zone. I deleted everything. And first, I'm going to draw our first buy zone. You can see there was a big rapid movement on Friday and again this morning. That movement happened after touching that area. According to theory, when you see this kind of rapid movement, the buy zone will usually be around the last bearish candle. So that is our last bearish candle according to the 4-hour chart. Therefore, I'm going to draw my first buy zone within that area. Okay, this is our first buy zone, but I will readjust this area using the 1-hour chart. Even though we can see some rapid movements there, they are not very big. Therefore, I am not going to draw any buy zones based on that. After that, you can see in that big rally, there are a couple of bearish candles within that movement. I think that is another good area to create a buy zone because it was touched 3 times and there could still be some sellers around that area. Therefore, that could be a good buy zone for us today to enter the market. These are the 2 buy zones I would like to draw in today's market because I don't think the price will come down further around the 38.80 area. If the price comes down there, that could be a major trend reversal. Therefore, we have to wait and see what happens when it happens and readjust our zones later. For now, we have 2 buy zones, and I would like to draw 1 sell zone around that rapid movement candle. You can see a small candle wick was created on Friday. I would also like to increase that area a little according to the wick created this morning, and I mark that as a 1-hour sell zone. This is the only sell zone we can draw, but I am not interested in taking any sell trades in this market, even though I drew that. Now I'm going to the 1-hour chart and readjust our first buy zone. You can see there is a bearish candle within that area. I would like to readjust my buy zone to that bearish candle and the first bullish candle's wick. Now you can see the area was reduced to the last bearish candle of the 1 hour and the first bullish candle's wick. That is our first buy zone area. So we can adjust the second buy zone to this bearish candle and this bearish and this first bullish candle. I will keep it like that because the price moved after touching the top of that buy zone, and I am expecting that to happen again. And these are the 3 zones right now. Now I'm going to draw the best possible setups using these 3 zones, and I am also using EMAs on both the 1-hour and 4-hour charts. For now, you can see the price is breaking below, but I am not interested in selling this market. Instead, if the price goes further up and breaks above, then we can enter the market with a fair value gap confirmation on the 15-minute chart. I have already explained many times you can enter the market using the 15-minute fair value gap. If you need more details, please leave a comment and I can help you with that. This is my first setup, and you can take profit using Fibonacci retracement. If the price goes below that setup zone, we can enter the market from the buy zone. You can see there are 3 EMAs close together, and I would like to enter the market after the price collects liquidity below 100 EMA. That's very important because the 20 and 50 EMA have already been broken many times. Therefore, we can see the 100 EMA is reacting perfectly to the current price. So we can enter the market after the price collects liquidity below the 100 EMA. Then, when you see a fair value gap on the 15-minute chart, wait until the price reaches that gap and enter with a bullish candle confirmation. Your first take profit target will be the sell zone. This is our second setup. Also, I would like to mention that you can use the 4-hour 20 EMA to enter the market at that time. Our third setup will be around the second buy zone near the 39.37 area. If the price comes down there, wait until it grabs liquidity near the 200 EMA on the 1-hour chart, then enter the market with a 15-minute confirmation. Your first take profit will be the 100 EMA on the 1-hour chart, and your second take profit will be around the sell zone. Or you can keep the position longer if possible, because if the price comes down that far and collects liquidity, it will likely move strongly upward. You can also compare that with the 50 EMA on the 4-hour chart and wait until it grabs liquidity below that level. These are the best possible buying setups in the market. If you are interested in selling, I personally don't recommend it. You can see there's no clear value gap to enter for a sell. Even if it looks like one, it could be a false inducement and you might lose if the price moves up. But if you still want to sell, then enter the market using the 1-hour chart after confirming a strong move on the sell side. Get confirmation from the 15-minute candle, take your first profit, and close your order near the 1-hour 20 EMA. I don't like to hold such sell trades for long because the price can move up at any time. You can see globally, all indications are still bullish. Okay, these are the things I wanted to mention in today's daily forecast. I hope you're enjoying my videos. If you really like them, please share, subscribe, and leave a comment after watching and analyzing today's video. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.